Massive beaver dam right at Arcade Creek.
Trash out.
Look at the water flowing. Very nice. Trash in the beaver dam. Look at the size of this hunker. This shouldn't be in here.
Nope. Anything else in there?
A hole. That's a baby pallet. Alright, the beaver dam has been breached in two small areas. One there and one right over there. Just so the water level drops enough for us to be able to get in here and clean it.
Get a picture of all this stuff.
The beavers will patch it up and it'll be full again soon. Dam number 2.
Oh, this is a full size pallet, not a baby pallet. And it is out of here.
Nice.
You can see it now.
It's rootbound too. It's been here for a while.
A big chunk of it.
Look at all of that.
Halfway done, maybe. I think there's more
Pieces. It's a big chunk of foam. Look at that.
It was a big old chaise cushion. I was gonna take it easy today.
Yeah, you were.
Well,
You want me to do it slower and make crunching noises?
okay, we're done.
Oh!